everyone, I'm Jacky YBT, tag away, tag everything. Yeah, another unboxing and hands-on video for you guys. So today, I'm gonna unbox this bad boy, the HyperX Pulsefire FPS. So, gonna unbox it. So before I unbox this bad boy, let's talk about the packaging itself. As you can see, HyperX Pulsefire FPS gaming mouse. Precise optic mouse designed for first-person shooters. This mouse mainly designed for FPS game such as Overwatch, Team Fortress 2 and CSGO. But you still can use it to play other types of game. Maybe RTS or office work, although it's a bit overkill lah. But never mind, you still can use it. HyperX is actually the gaming division from Kingston, a company which made SSD, hard disk, and pen drive and etc. Just to let you guys know if you guys don't know about it. So on the right side of the box itself, you can see the specification of this mouse. So 4 preset DPI setting with LED indicator 400 to 3200 pix, art 3310 sensor, Nokia 3310. Okay, ARM switch, comfortable ergonomic design, lightweight, 95 grams only. So other is the same thing, it's just different languages. And the bottom is the basic thing, minimum system requirements, PC with a USB port, support up to Windows 7, 8 and 10. I mean, obviously this is a gaming mouse and we all know that Mac is not for gaming. So I think because of that reason, they didn't mention about Mac OS. It totally works with Mac. Just no point putting there because we all know that Mac is not for gaming. Yeah. So on the left side of the box, as you can see, a photo shows the side way of the gaming mouse. There's 2 side buttons, which is great. And on the back, front view of the mouse with the LED lights on. It looks quite great. Minimum design. Package contains optical gaming mouse and quick start. So I'm gonna unbox it now. Just a clean cut, carefully. Okay, done. Just gonna push it from the front. Ooh, nice. So this is the box itself. As you can see, there's a red strips around the box, which is nice. Black and red works perfectly. It's a great color combination. I need to cut it here also. Clean cut, done. Whoa. Okay, what is this? Quick start guide. Not gonna read it. Congratulations on joining the HyperX family. So it's a welcome card. You can pause it if you want to read. Okay, I'm not gonna read it. Whoa, okay. Let's see. So this is the mouse itself. Whoa, whoa. This is bigger than I imagined. Whoa. So here's the mouse. The cable itself is 1.8 meters long. I don't want to destroy the thing. Drag it out and pop it off. Okay, nothing there. Okay, this side. It is made out of plastic. It's not those cheap plastic. It's a high quality plastic, which I like the most. It's pretty light but not cheap. You don't feel like very empty, you know, those cheap plastic feel. Yeah, I like this. It's huge, but it works perfectly fine with my hands. This is the size of my hand, so it's good. Okay, for grabbing. This is the claw, and when you play FPS game, you hold it in this way. Pretty good. So let's hear the sound of the button. This is the left buttons, right button, the scroller, DPI, the side button also. Not bad. HyperX. Bottom you have a rubber feet, both big rubber feet. And this is the invisible optics technology also. Assembly in China, made by Kingston. Good. And the cable itself is quite nice. So this is how it looks when you plug it to your PC. Take a look of that. Red LED strips. Simple, elegant and sexy. It's way better than those RGB lighting gaming mouse. It's like the color keeps switching, messing around, you know. Yeah, it's just me, you know. I don't like RGB type of lighting that much anymore. Wow, that's great. To be honest with you guys, I really like this mouse. It's very comfortable. I really like the size of the mouse. Feels comfortable in my hands. And yeah, it's just a pleasure to use this mouse, and the lighting is just nice. And it priced 189 ringgit in Malaysia. I believe you can get cheaper if you go online and search it. The price will be lower a bit. I will find it a good deal and share it to you guys. Like I mentioned it earlier, this mouse is using the invisible optic technology. There's no visible laser optic, which is great. You can use in any type of surface without interference. So that's about it, guys. So remember to give a thumbs up, comment, share it to your friends and family, and remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.